Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram chat not showing or Instagram message problem. For example, if you open your Instagram and you see this kind of interface, which means you see that there are no chats available in your Instagram, then how you can fix that? There are many reasons for this. The first reason is that your all chats has been deleted from your Instagram, which means whether you have mistakenly deleted your chat or when you start a new account on Instagram and open your messenger, then this kind of interface will appear. And if you see this kind of interface, then which means your chats are deleted. So you have to make sure that you recover your chats from the Instagram data, which you can simply download by requesting the Instagram team. There are methods to recover your chats. So now if you want to solve this error, what you have to do is you have to simply connect to your account which has chats, which means if you open your account which is new on Instagram and you have not started any kind of chats on that account, then this kind of interface will be seen by you. So this kind of interface is available when you start a new account on Instagram. So you do not have to panic about that, which means it shows when you start a new account on Instagram, and if you have to panic if your chats are already available and they are not showing here, which means they are deleted from the Instagram, and you have to make sure that you do not delete your chats on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, can you subscribe our channel?